Whoa, okay. So we are looking at the problem that says, determine the molarity of chlorine ions in a solution prepared by dissolving 18.3 grams of palladium-3 chloride in enough water to make 800 milliliters of solution. All right, so make this window smaller somehow. Nope. Okay. So if we take a look at the information that it's given us this time, it looks like we've got 18.3 grams of palladium-3 chloride, all right? And we want to make 800 mils of solution, all right, 800 mils in the solution. It wants to know, the question though, interestingly, is what is the molarity of the chloride ions? All right, so that's important to understand, that it's looking for something a little more specific. All right, so let's start to analyze the different things in this problem. First off, it's molarity, so we know that we're going to be using molarity equals moles over liters. All right. However, I'm given grams since that is the more common laboratory unit anyway. And grams doesn't fit anywhere in here. So let's turn grams into moles since that's very easy to do. So I'm going to go 18.3 grams of PdCl3. We can track our conversion straight across the top. So I'm trying to go from grams to moles. And then we'll make the diagonal match. Whenever moles is compared to grams, I know that it's 1 mole is periodic table grams. So I need to add up 3 chlorines plus 1 palladium, and I'm going to get 212.77 if I add them up off the periodic table. All right, so let's multiply, and we're going to get 18.3 times 1 divided by 212.77. And I'm going to get 0.0860. And now we've got the moles that we wanted. Another issue that we have, though, is that my given volume is in milliliters and it has to be in liters. So I can very easily slide the decimal 3 times to the left to get 0.8 liters. And now we're ready to use our equation. So I know that to find the molarity, it's moles divided by liters. So I'm just going to take these moles right here and divide it by 0.800 liters. All right. And when I do that, it's going to give me 0.108 molar. So my 0.108 molar here is the molarity of the entire compound up here. But remember, we're not looking for the molarity of the entire compound in solution. We're looking for the molarity of just the chlorine ions. So realize that if we were to dump this in and have it create the solution, we're going to have, it's going to do this. All right. And you'll notice that the chlorine ions are actually going to be present at 3 times as much as the original molarity, which is why the extra step here is going to be to multiply by 3. And the way to say it in a nutshell is we want to multiply times how many there are of the ion that it's asking for. And then the 0.108 times 3 is going to give me 0.322 molar as an answer.